Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are fine and you are safe at home. Today we are going to start exercise 3.4 in maths class. Earlier we had done practice simple subtraction, now without borrowing. Today we will do practice how to borrow, how to subtract with borrow. Let's see. Here two digits are written, 74 minus 36. For two digits, here tens and ones are written. Let's start. 4 and 6. Children, we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So what to do? We will borrow. We will borrow. These are one side digit. So we have to borrow from 10 side. Means we will borrow from 7. 4 will borrow from 7. Means 110. 110 plus 4. The number is here 14. So you will write in this box 14. Because we have borrowed 110 from 7 digit. It is at the place of tens. 7 tens means 70. The number is here 74. 4 is at the place of ones. So 4, we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So we have to borrow from tens. So number is here 14. Now we will subtract 14. Now you will subtract 6 from 14. It is possible. Answer is 8. Now here, when 7 had given 110 to 4, how much here is left? There is 6. Means 6 tens is left. 6 tens. So we will subtract now 3 from 6. Answer is 3. You have to cut the digit when you are going to subtract. With the same, you will do rest of the sums. Now we will solve 3-digit sum. Here the number is written 715. We have to subtract now 438 from 715. Here 3 digits are written, hundreds, tens and ones. 715. 7 at the place of hundreds, 1 at the place of tens, 5 at the place of ones. First we will start from one side. We have to subtract 8 from 5. It is not possible. We cannot subtract 8 from 5. So we will borrow. One side digit will borrow from tens. 110. They will borrow from 110. Then 10 plus 5 will be 15. 10 plus 5. 110 we have borrowed. Here we will write 15 because we have borrowed 110. 110 plus 5, 15. Now you will subtract 8 from 15. Now we are going to subtract. Answer will be 7. Now this 110 and plus 1 means 11. It has given 110 to one's digit number. So here, now we will subtract here at the place of 10 digit. Here now we are having 0. Now we cannot subtract 3 from 0. So we will borrow 110 again from hundreds. Now 3 will be subtract from 110 means 10. Here you will write 10 because we will borrow 110. The answer is again 7. When we subtract 3 from 10, answer will be 7. Now 110 is given to him. So here the digit is left 6. You will write here 6 because it has given 110 to this digit. Now you will subtract. Answer will be 2 because 4 we have to subtract from 6. Answer is 2. You will do all the sums like this. Now, second question is here. Write in columns and subtract. You have to write 100, tens and ones is given there. You will write the digits according to 100, tens and ones. 857, 668. So, rest of the method is same. How to subtract? Now start. We cannot subtract 8 from 7. So, we will borrow from tens. Here, 110, we will borrow 10 plus 7, 17. So, you have to subtract now 8 from 17. Answer will be 9. You can write here 17 and you can cut it. Now 5. Here 4 is left because it has given 110. So, it cannot possible. 6 cannot subtract from 4. So, it will borrow again from 8. 4 is here. We have. Now, 4 is here. It has given 110. 14. Subtract 6 from 14. Answer is now 8. It has given 110. It means here 7 is left. So, now we will subtract 6 from 7. Answer is 189. So, you will do practice of page number 63 and 64 and 65 in your maths book. Thank you. Have a nice day.